What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Tips. Today we have with us the HP K500F. Now I bought this in 2020, it's almost 2 years now, and right now this is very dusty. So in this video we are answering a few questions related to K500F as well as cleaning it off. So first question was that is keycaps removable? So I said in the comments that yes, but I didn't get chance to exactly test this thing up. So let's take today's video, clean this up because this is very dusty. As you can see, this thing is dust magnet. So I gotta take all the keys off and gonna clear it. So this will answer your question whether the keycaps are removable or not. Also there was a question whether if you can remove the keycaps, can you replace with the new ones? So I will answer that as well. So let's get started. So for cleaning, all you need is some cotton swabs and basically a cloth or an old handkerchief. Now reason I also have this air duster here because this thing is very useful. Again, you can buy the links in the description. This is one of our favorite products. Again, this is overkill for this keyboard, but I have some mining machines for my server machines and stuff, but you can use it to get the dust off easily. So first of all, disconnect the wires and make sure you take a photo of your keyboard because you're gonna get lost which keys goes where. But now I have already in my video, so that's fine. So I'm gonna start with escape characters. So let's remove this up, and you can see it easily got removed. And this is the membrane switches. Now you can get to the market, and I think you can get the keycaps. I was not able to find on Amazon or Flipkart. There were some third-party ones, the other brands one, but they were too thin. Like they were not this shaped. They were not this backlit ready. So I'm not sure because I was not able to find keycap for this. But I think you can get membrane switches, or I think some say Cherry MX. I'm not sure this is Cherry MX or not. I think this is membrane, but I was not able to find the keycaps for this. And even if I'm able to find some other ones, let me take experiment, let me gather one. That was around 600 rupees. Now at that price, guys, you can get this new keyboard because this keyboard is 1000 rupees. So pay 400 more, get a new keyboard. Why you want to just replace the thing? Because this metal thing, this metal coating, this plastic keyboard is getting rusty, as you can see. This thing got pretty dirty over 2 years. Though it's running completely fine, the RGB still works, the keycap still works. Amazing performance, I would say, but you can see the condition is a mess. Also there were some people in the comments complaining about ants getting in. Now again, this is because of its nature of open, like it's just completely open. I can see so much dust. If you are a gamer or programmer, you're probably gonna eat with this keyboard. I mean, you're gonna eat within this keyboard and things gonna fall inside. So again, ants and everything, they're gonna get in to eat those. So you can see it's super dusty, guys. So I will skip the part of this video and we'll be right back once we remove all the keys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna.
Okay guys, so now you can see this thing is super dusty, like crazy dusty. I'm using this for 2 years. So much dust inside. I don't have ants or something like that, but just imagine about the people who have ants and I don't know what kind of creatures they're gonna have inside them, which is very difficult, guys. Now again, this is the reason why I asked you have the cotton swab, because of cotton swab, now you can go inside each of the buttons and clean this up. But I want to take a shortcut step. I'm gonna use my air blower in a minute, so let's get started with that. Okay guys, so I'm outdoors right now because this thing is super dusty. I don't want the dust get to my hole, so I have my blower here and I'm gonna just use this thing. Are you ready, guys? 5 4 3 2 1 go.
problem solved.
So guys, duster made my job much easier. Now it's cleanable at least. Now I gonna use the cotton swabs to clean the inside of the keycaps. So as you can see, so I'm gonna do this for each and everything, and then I'm gonna wipe it with a cloth at the end. You can use a little wet cloth just in case if it's too dusty, if it's too stainy. So I will be right back after this.
Play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take.
So guys, now I've cleaned with cotton swab. Now I'm gonna use the cloth to nicely wipe this off, like each and every corner. And one thing I like about this is that this whole thing is sealed, so there's no dust going inside your keyboard. If you're extreme, you can open the screws and get into this keyboard, but I don't want to do that because it's completely sealed. As you can see, there's no way that dust get inside the keyboard, which is just amazing. It's just HP quality. So I will wipe it and we'll be right back.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
So the time has arrived. Now we're gonna put all these keycaps right back. You heard it right, guys. We need all these keycaps right back. So let's start with our good old escape key. Now you also need to wipe these keys off because this was also dusty for some cases. So yeah, they have it.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time?
Oh my gosh, so there you have it. Only one key I have out, so we're gonna see the photo and then I'm gonna just connect it here. Mostly I think ADSFG, so I'm gonna compare that in the image. Okay, so there you have it. It's nice and clean. I'm gonna test on my computer and we'll be right back. So guys, mission successful. The keyboard is looking really clean and the lights are even brighter. Now I messed up the ADSF key, but I just see the QWERTY keyboard and fixed this up, so it's working. Now I'm gonna make sure that every key is just visible, and that's it. Hope you like this video. Hope you find it useful. Hope I answered all of your questions. Yeah, the keycaps are removable, and again you can get third-party keycaps, but I'm not sure if it will work or fit properly or not, and it's not worth it because buying a 600 keycaps is better than buying it's buying 1000 rupees keyboard. A new keyboard is better than buying a 600 rupees of keycaps. So that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.